Hello, hi, welcome. This week I'm gonna talk about hashtags. All of us are familiar with hashtag. We use them to write posts on Twitter, Insta, and where not. So, what are hashtags? Hashtags are used on social media, websites, and applications to identify messages on a specific topic. The hashtag is used to draw attention, to organize, and to promote. Hashtag basically helps you find your target audience. I'll talk about the common mistakes that people do while using hashtags. So let's get started. The first thing would be using spaces in between the hashtag words. Like you're writing a combination of two or more words, but you use a space in between them. So in the first case, only this is considered as a hashtag and is not a hashtag, will be a normal word in the post. The second one would be the best way to use the hashtag. Not using spaces after each hashtag, even this is a problem. Like you're using two hashtags and you don't give space after the first hashtag. So the second hashtag will be just a normal word following a special character. Ending the word with a hash doesn't make it a hashtag, or just like this. Only the words that follow the hash are considered as hashtag. Enclosing the word with hashes, this is not an actual hashtag. The word that is following the first hash will be the hashtag and the last hash will just be a normal special character. Using spaces between the hash and the hash word, just like this. This will be just a special character and a normal word in your post. This doesn't make it a hashtag. So just be cautious. Using special characters in your hashtag. This is the common mistake that I've seen people do while using hashtags. Just take this example. The apostrophe in the hashtag word breaks the hashtag. So only the U is considered for the hashtag and I'm my best friend will just be a normal word. So it's better to write it in the second or the third type. Too lengthy, like a sentence. I have seen people put a hash and start writing stories. That would not be a proper way of using hashtags. You won't reach your proper audience. Only your post will be existing for the hashtag. So better to use the keywords for the hashtags. Hashtags don't spell check, so be cautious while using them, because you think and write it in one way but others might read it in another way. Best practice is using camel cases or using a capital alphabet for every starting alphabet of the new word. Like take this example, you wanted to write to get her and people read it as together. There are more funny or hashtag mistakes. I don't want to talk about that in this video, so let's move on. Using double quotes for your hashtag word. This actually doesn't make any difference for the hashtag, or maybe you're just emphasizing on the hashtag word. Tagging each and every word. I have seen people write post and each and every word of the post is hashtag. That's not a best practice. You might not reach your proper audience. Maybe your post will reach irrelevant audience. So use relevant hashtags so that you reach your target audience and you don't cause inconvenience to the people who are searching on a specific topic. And not at all using hashtags is not recommended. Think that you're talking about a trending topic without using the hashtag, so you can't reach the audience you want to tell your views. Only your followers can see your post. So if you like the video, hit the like button, comment in the comment section below, share the video and do subscribe to the channel. Until next week, see ya.